Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's vid, I'm going to show you how to issue a refund on a PayPal order. As a seller, knowing how to issue refunds quickly and correctly can help you maintain good customer relationships, avoid disputes, and save on major headaches. This video is going to be useful for PayPal sellers who need to refund a buyer for a returned item, a canceled order, a transaction mistake, or really any other reason. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to issue a refund on PayPal. So first things first is you're going to want to open your PayPal app. You can do this a couple of ways. You can just scroll on your homepage and locate your PayPal app, or you can scroll down, type in PayPal, and find it that way. But once it is open, you're going to want to focus your attention on the bottom column here. You'll see Home, Account, Sender Request, Activity, and Offers. But what you want to click on is the Activity button. And then what you're going to want to do is scroll down and find the actual transaction that needs to be refunded. Once you find it, click on it. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using this transaction, and really it's as simple as just hitting this issue refund button. Now, once you hit this button, you can put in more information on as in why you're refunding. You can add a note to the buyer, pretty much add in all the details you want for why and how you are going to issue the refund. And that's pretty much it. You just find the transaction, hit the issue refund button, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So now that we have the tutorial out of the way, here's some tips and considerations to keep in mind. The first tip I have for you is to remember that refunds must be issued within 180 days of the original payment. The second tip is to remember that PayPal refunds transaction fees for refunds made in full. The last tip I have for you is that refunds goes back to the buyer's original payment method and may take up to a few days for it to actually process. And there you have it. That's how to issue a refund on a PayPal order. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like and also be able to share this video with a family member, a friend, anyone you think that will gain something, learn something from this video. But most importantly of all, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're constantly doing tutorials on here, so we'll constantly be here to help you, and you can honestly learn anything and everything. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys take care and peace out.